Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix this program can't start because MSVCP140.dll file is missing. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to start any app, any program or any game in your PC, you might see the error that DLL file is missing. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So basically it happens when the app you are trying to open when that app's DLL file is missing from your PC. So let's see how can you fix that issue. So you just have to simply go ahead to your browser. I'm gonna using my Chrome here.